In front of me is VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to your contacts, and if you'd like to block, for example, Mary, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Confirm that you would like to block this contact, and that's it. As you can see, it is blocked. If you'd like to remove it from your blacklist, click on the more icon and mark unblock. Confirm that you would like to unblock it, and that's it. You can also reach blocking settings. Just tap on more icon, select settings, and click on block numbers. And here you can either block all unknown colors or add phone number manually. So you can enter some unknown number here, tap on block, and from now on it will not be able to reach you. If you'd like to remove it, just click on cross icon and select unblock. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.